Hello everyone, my name is Arpon Das. I am student of Alia University. My branch is civil and I am second year third semester student. Now I am discussing about IS code. This is a part of building materials assignment and the assignment is given by our sir Mohsin Jamal. So let's start. IS code or Indian Standard Code is existing in India to verify and authorize every aspect of civil engineering aspects in the country. These codes are used on different occasions based on the nature of the work and engineer projects. IS codes simplify the process of identification of any engineering project, be it a road, steel plant, or underground construction. From a professional engineer to a student, everyone utilize these codes in various points in their life. Indian standard codes are list of codes used for engineering civil engineers in India for the purpose of design and analysis of civil engineering structures such as buildings, roads, dams, railways, airports, etc. Indian Standard Code or IS code list in civil engineer. This list of IS codes we categorize as per the different methods and materials which is used in civil engineer. IS code for cement and concrete. Number 1, IS code IS 269 1989. Title of this code is Ordinary Portland Cement 33 gauge specification. The second was in is IS 383 1970. The title of this code is Specification for Coarse and Fine Aggregate for Use in Mass Concrete. The third one is IS 455 1989. The title is Portland Slag Cement Specification. The fourth one is 456 and 2000 Code of Practice for Plain and Reinforced Concrete. The fifth one is IS 457 1957. The title is Code of Practice for General Construction of Plain and Reinforced Concrete for Dams and Other Massive Structures. The sixth one title is Method of Test for the Strength of Concrete. The seventh one is IS 650 1991. Specification for Standard Stand for Testing of Cement. The next one is IS 1199, which is conducted in 1959. The title of this IS code is Methods of Sampling and Analysis of Concrete. The ninth one, then the next one is IS 1343 1980. So the title of this code is Code of Practice for Pre-Stressed Concrete. Next one is IS 1344. Then the title title is Specification for Calcined Clay Pozzolana, and this is conducted in 1981. And the next one is IS 1489 1991. There are four there are 7 to 8 parts. The first part is Method of Test for Pozzolanic Materials. Part 1, Test for Aggregates for Concrete. Part 2, Methods of Test for Aggregates for Concrete. Part 3, Methods of Test for Aggregates for Concrete, Specific Gravity, Density, Voids, Absorption and Bulking. Part 4 is about mechanical properties. Part 5 is about soundness, and 6 is about measuring mortar making properties of fine aggregates. Part 7 is alkali aggressive aggregate metals reactivity. The part 8 is petrographic examination. 22 part is IS 2430 1986. The title is Methods for Sampling of Aggregate for Concrete. Next one is IS 2502 in 1960, Code of Practice for Bending and Fixing of Bars for Concrete Reinforcement. The next one is IS 2645. This is conducted in 2003. The title of this code is Specification for Integral Cement Waterproofing Compounds. This is the IS 2770 and 1967. There are 4 parts. The first part is about pull out test. Second part is about method of test for permeability of cement, mortar and concrete. The fourth one part is for storage of liquids. IS 3370 2009 Part 2. The title of this IS code is Code of Practice for Concrete Structure for Storage of Liquids Parts to Reinforce Concrete Structures. The Part 3 is Code of Practice for Concrete Structure for the Storage of Liquids. Part 3 Pre-state Concrete. Now we see the various types of IS codes for this, and this is the next one is IS code for lime gypsum. Now lime and gypsum. The first IS code is IS 712, which is conducted in 1984. The title of this code is Specification for Building Limes. The second one is IS 1624, which is in 1986. Title is Method of Field Testing of Building Lime. Third one is IS 1635, which is conducted in 1992. Title is Code of Practice for Fielding Shaking and Building Lime and Preparation of Putty. Fourth one is IS 15648 and 2006. This is all about lime and gypsum. Guidelines of handling and storage of building is the code of IS 1440 1996. The specification for calcium silicate bricks, the code is IS 4139, and this is conducted in 1983. In the year of 1983, the IS code 4098 is conducted, and this is for specification for lime pozzolana mixtures. In the 1992, the code of 3115 is conducted for lime based blocks. In the year of 1986, the IS code 3068 is conducted for broken bricks coarse aggregates for use in lime concrete. Thereafter, we see in IS codes for building construction and practical. The first code of building construction and practical is IS code 15345, and which is conducted in 2003. Then the year of 2002, the part 1 IS 15183. The title is Guidelines for Maintenance Management of Building. Part 1 is general. There are few parts, then like the part 1 is general, part 2 is finance, part 3 is labor. Then the earlier year of 1994, IS code 883. The title of this code is conducted for practice for the design of structural timber in building. Then 1986, IS code 965 is conducted, and this is for conducted equivalent metric units for scales, dimensions and quantities in general construction works. In the year of 1989, the IS code of 1414 is conducted for practice for fixing of wall coverings. And then here we can see the 1971. There are few parts of IS 1477. The part 1 is for pre-treatment, part 2 is for painting. Then 1992, we see the code of IS 1597. There are also few parts. The first part is rubble stone machinery, and second part of 1971 IS 6061. This is the code of practice for construction of floor and roof with joists and filler blocks. Part 1 with hollow concrete filler blocks. IS 6332, which is conducted in 1984. The title of this code is Code of Practice for Construction of Floors and Roofs Using Precast Doubly Curved Shell Units. The next one is IS 6509, and which is conducted in 1985. This is the code for practice for installation of joints and in concrete pavements. And here is the code of 1980 and 1981. The 1980 code is IS 9472, and 1981 code is 9949. The first code is for practice for laying mosaic paraquet flooring, and second one is for pre-quiltic surface preparation standards for the painting of steel structures. Then we can see the IS code for structural engineering. See, the first structural engineering code is IS 801, which is conducted in 1975, titled Code of Practice for Use of Cold Formed Light Gauge Steel Structure Members and General Building Structure. These all codes are for structural engineering, and there are many various codes: IS 801, IS 800, IS 803, 804, 5, 6, and 808 also. Here we can see some specification codes which is conducted in 1978, which the code is IS 1173, and this is for specification for hot rolled steel, slit steel T-bars. Then the codes for dimensions, which is conducted in 1991 and 1998. The 1991 code is 1252 IS, and this is for dimension of hot rolled steel bulb angles. And 1989 code is IS 1730, which is dimension for steel plate, sheets, strips, flats, and general engineering purpose. There we can see also some specification course which is conducted in 1964, IS 2750, the specification for steel scaffoldings. Then 1980 we see IS 3443, and this is for specification for crane rail sections. In the year of 1986, the IS code 3908 is conducted, and this is for aluminium equal angle specifications. These all are about the structural engineering. After this we can see the IS code for doors, windows, and shutters. The first code of IS doors is conducted in 2003, and the code is IS 15380. Second one is conducted earlier 2000, and the code is 14856. The title of this code is glass fiber reinforced plastic, which is short from GRP, panel type door shutters for internal use specifications. In the earlier of 1983, the IS code 10521 is created or conducted, and the title of this code is specification for collapsible gates. In the year of 83, two more codes are conducted for doors, windows, and shutters. They are 10451 and IS 10428. In the code of 10451 we can see the specification for steel sliding shutters top hung, and in the code of IS 10428 we can see ISO 1804, which is in 1972 glossary of terms relating to doors. In the year of 1979, IS 6248, the title of specification for metal rolling shutters and rolling grills is conducted, and the 1992 IS 61998 is conducted, which is for legit braids and battened timber door shutters. In the year of 1968, IS code 4913 is conducted for practice for selection, installation, and maintenance of timber doors and windows. In the year of 2003, 4351 IS code is conducted for steel door frames specification. In the year of 1969, IS code 4043 is conducted for recommendation. This is a recommendations for symbolic design and designations of directions of closing and faces of doors, windows, and shutters. And we can see the 1998, there are 16 parts of IS 4020. The part 16 screw withdrawal resistance tests. So this is our IS code all over in civil engineering. Thank you.